Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about WordPress plugin. So what is WordPress plugin basically? Okay, so now on the last video we talked about WordPress content management system, and in this video we're going to be looking at plugins. As the name implies, plugins are basically some little piece of software that adds additional functionality to your WordPress content management system. So look at it more like an add-on or an extension. Okay, those are other words you can use for it. Okay, so now there are millions, if not hundreds of thousands of yeah, plugins out there that you can use to add extra functionality to your website. So let's go ahead and check this. So a WordPress plugin is a piece of software that plugs into your WordPress site. Plugins can add new functionality or extend existing functionality on your site, allowing you to create virtually any kind of website, from e-commerce stores to portfolios to directory sites. Okay, so as you can see, the WordPress plugin will help you add features to your site, and you can easily get these plugins from different sites. So let's go ahead and check for WordPress SEO plugins, for instance. Okay, so now we have used SEO is one of the most popular WordPress SEO plugins out there. So this is the WordPress.org directory, the WordPress plugin directory where all plugins are added. So you can see this is used, and just like you downloaded the WordPress content management system, you can download this too. Just go ahead and click on download, and the small piece of software will be downloaded onto your system. So as you can see it here is just uh, 4 MB file, and on your WordPress dashboard there's a section where you can click to add a plugin. Then you browse down to your computer folders and select this plugin. This will automatically install this plugin and add a new functionality for you. So that is what a WordPress plugin is, and there are plenty plugins. This is the plugin directory. If you go to the plugin wordpress.org / plugins, you're going to see thousands and hundreds of thousands of plugins. And you can also submit a plugin. If you're a WordPress plugin developer, once you're done building your plugin, you can come here and submit it for other people to use. So let's go ahead and see the plugin directory and see what plugins that we've had there. So you see, there are a lot of plugins here. WP Fusion Lite, Schedule Content Block, Geo Directory, WordPress Business Directory plugin. So this will add a functionality. If you want to build a directory site, this plugin can help your WordPress site achieve that. Compliance, GDPR and CCPA cookie consent plugin. Then feature plugins, classic editor. This is the editor that comes on your WordPress site. Akismet for spam protection on your WordPress site. Jetpack, WP security, backup, speed and growth. Classic widget, performance lab, Gutenberg, two-factor authentication, performance translation, and so on and so forth. There are lots of plugins, and each and every one of them add one functionality or the other to your WordPress site. So, guys, that is what a WordPress plugin is and how it's being used. So, that will be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.